Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm happy to see you. I am Ogbenyade. I teach Yoruba online. Anyway, I teach other topics, but in this video I'm going to be teaching Yoruba. And then what I'm going to be teaching today is about money, currency. Going to tell you how to pronounce currency in Yoruba, and then I'm going to use like in three currencies. I'm going to use naira, I'm going to use dollar, and I'm going to use pounds in my conversation today. So I would like you to pay attention to my videos. If we are talking about money, it means owo lede Yoruba. It means owo in Yoruba language. Owo, say that. Owo, money. Owo is what we call it. Owo. Owo me, my money. Owo your money. Owo daddy, daddy's money. Owo mommy, mommy's money. Money owo ni bank. I have money in the bank. Money owo, I have money. Like if you want to say you have, like you want to mention the amount of money you have, you say money. Like now, if you want to mention the amount of money you have, you're going to say money naira marun, money naira, money dollar marun, money pounds marun, money. Okay, I've used the three currencies. You like say money dollar marun. If you want to say I have £5, you say money pounds marun. Now, if you want to say you have money with you, how would you say that? Like, I have $10, I have $2, and so on. This is what you say. Money dollar kan, money dollar méjì, money dollar mẹ́ta, money dollar mẹ́rin, money dollar márùn, money dollar mẹ́fà, money dollar méje, money dollar mẹ́jọ, money dollar mẹ́sàn-án, money dollar mewaa, money ogorun dollar. If you take notes, my figure in Yoruba comes first, then dollar comes next. This is how you say it again. Money ogorun dollar, money ọgbọ̀n dollar, money ogójì dollar, money àádọ́ta náírà, money ọgọ́ta náírà, money àádọ́rin náírà, money ogorun naira. Now let me use pounds. Money àádọ́rùn pounds, money ogorun pounds, money ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀ta pounds, money ẹgbẹ̀rún dollar. My figure in Yoruba come first, then the currency come next. That is if I'm pronouncing 20 upward, like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, only those things. But when it comes to those in a number like 1 to 19, 21 to 29, 31 to 39, 41 to 49, 51, upward like that, in between, we call those figure at the end of the currency, like dollar kan, dollar méjì, dollar mẹ́ta. But when it comes to $20, you say ogorun dollar, just like in English. Ẹ ṣeun gan tẹ́ ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa. Ó dàbọ̀.